Welcome to Top Trading Edge. Today 5th February, Sunday, tomorrow Monday. Let's take a look at the market conditions, see what market is look like upcoming week. This is S&P 500 right here. So we have a support at 410 area right here, folks. We have the strong support around 410. It's been intact last couple of days. Market is still above the 410. So absolutely, we looks right now super duper bullish. As you can see, MACD is still also, if you look at the oscillator, we have strong strength coming in, and constant the volume is looking bullish right now. All right. So, but if I take a look at the short term, so right now, look like this cycle bullish waves right here is continue, and we are heading to 431. Looks to me we could easily cross 420 and we could go to 431 because that's our supply area right here. That's where the heading market is heading, 430. But doesn't mean by February I think we could go and hit the 430 somewhere in February. Okay, I'm not saying next week. Okay, by February we could go here because that's what it looks to me. All right. Now short term, if I take a look at it, let's go 30-minute chart and see what the market look like here. Remember Thursday I made the video for the Friday, and I said, hey folks, we have a weakness. Remember I said Friday we could sell off, and that's what exactly happened. So if you take a look at those who follow me on every day, folks, I make a video every day for the market update, and I said that, hey, Friday looks like we would have a weakness based on divergence, and I apply the divergence right here. From this point to this point, price was going up right there, and as you can see here, the market was going down, right? And then guess what? Look at the Friday, we went down, right? So that's your divergence. Same divergence, we had it earlier also. Now what exactly happened is, folks, if you take a look at the oscillator, we are very close to -1 now here. So this is the strong support. So if I take a look at the near terms and draw a couple of resistance and see what market is behaving, so looks to me like this. Okay, hear me out. So look like we are heading, see this support. Okay, so this is the channel. It's like a bullish flag channel. Whenever you see like this, a bullish flag channel, which could if we bounce from here, we could go and break the resistance here, and we could go higher, 420 and upwards. But if you break this area, folks, okay, remember 410 around 409, actually not the 410 but 409, then we have easy empty pocket around here, and we could go test the 406. But if that happens, because we have a critical support at 410, we have a sloping support also right here at around 409. So this area is critical, folks. Okay, remember, and then we have the support of this one also coming out right here from previous day in low. So this area is very, very critical, 409, 410 area, folks. If this area market can test, maybe bounce, or we can break, then we can go lower, right? Why? So if you take a look at 30 minutes right here, look at the market, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, like this, lower low, lower high. So market is doing is cycle, right? Market has a little short-term cycle, long-term cycles like that. So if market is pulling back, we are right now, possibilities are there because now the new week starting, folks. The brand new week starts, so the market might all the bulls are excited here. Probably they want to shake it up a little bit. They can little pull back and then go north probably. Okay, you never know, right? Because still long way to go, folks, for the February month. Normally cycles are 2-month cycles, right? So we just started this one in January, and we are into February. So still, if you take a look at the oscillator, we have room to go right here, and daily chart also looks bullish right here. Oscillator still bullish. Everything looks bullish. 4-hour chart is looking bullish, right? These are long time, folks. Okay. Now the 4-hour, if you look at it, it's just a little conversion right there. You see that? So that could be a pullback. But we need to see the Monday, Tuesdays, we have a lot of earning coming in. But a couple of things I noticed in the market weakness, folks, okay? And I thought let me share with you. Okay, so let me go to daily chart so you can see really. Okay, so let's go to index. Okay, let's take a look at the Bitcoin first. So you can see Bitcoin is selling off last few days right here. This daily chart, each candle represents 1 day of the work. Now I notice something unusual. Dollar is popping up, folks. Whenever the dollar pops in, the money moving into dollar. And I think dollar bottom out here because that's your demand area right here. You can see this is the support. Market found the support, and this demand is created on dollar. So what does it mean? So market money moves from the equity and goes to dollar because dollar is bouncing, and it could go to supply around 105. That's the target probably. Whenever the dollar goes up, equity goes down most of the time. Then I also notice unusual activity on a gold also. As you can see right here, gold, look at that, gold bang, bang right here. And we broke the major sloping support. Last November we created. So that is also very bearish sign. So that's another things I noticed. Look at the MACD oscillator was overbought. That's the reason we have oversold. Maybe we can go and test the $1,800 and we could probably bounce. These are the demand zone right here to watch. All right. Now, I'll put the price up there so you can see this is the next target for the gold is heading 1791 is the target. Then also I notice yield is popping lately. So remember I told you folks that look at the yield is popping right there. So there was a bond market was heavily shorted, so short cover going on. Excuse me, was going on. So now the yield is rising probably. Monies are moving out, folks. So you can see right here, 5-year yield is rising, 10-year yield is also rising, 20 years yield is also rising. Whenever yield is rising, market has a weakness, right? That's how we need to look into, folks. Then also I look at the sector rotation going on also. So if you take a look at the US oil, is like, look at that major sloping support broken, right? That's your bear flag right here. So as you can see right here, see that broken. So now we are heading into demand zone. This is your support for demand. See if market bounce 70 because we already tried one time. We could second time little bounce and then third time we break. We can go lower. It look like MACD enter into battery. This time we could break, folks. Okay, that's what it look like. So sector rotation going on. I noticed that too, and I'll show you right here. So all the monies are moving out of the folks. Monies are moving out. So look at the 6 months. Last 6 months, what market happened? 15% energy sector was booming. All the money went inside the energy sector, right? 6 months, last 6 months. Where the money was moved out, consumer discretionary was Amazon, Tesla, right? They take the money out of Tesla and Amazon and put the money into into energy. Now, last 5 days, check this out. What happening now? Money moving out of energy right here. Now money will moving out of energy, utility, materials, right? These are the area, real estate, all these area, folks, money moving out right now. So these are the area which is just started, folks. This is the just start. This is only last week only. So money moving into technology area right here, technology sector, slowly going in. Those are 2%, 1%, 3%, right? That's the bucket will fill up. So money is moving into technology sector. So probably February is looks to me bullish because we have a lot of earning, folks. So right here, we have tons of earning coming in. Well, though we know that we have a horrible earnings are coming out, but hey, market is now looking at the retailers are bearish on market because the earnings are not good, but the stock goes up, right? Because heavily shorted, folks. So all these stocks, if you take a look at it, we have a bunch of earning coming in: Pinterest, Zoom, Uber, Affirm, CVS, PayPal, Lyft, Expedia. These are a bunch of Honda, right? So a bunch of companies earnings are coming in. You can keep eyes on those one too. Then also, what exactly happened? Nasdaq has jumped the highest of this month. Nasdaq jumped last 20 years, record breaking. So money moving out because these are all sector rotation, folks. As you can see, these are heavily shorted, so short cover. So market is doing short cover, and that's I said market is right now short cover because look at this DocuSign, 49% jump, Beyond Meat, Spotify. These are all negative EPS. Most of the companies are negative EPS, right? But they've been shorted except Tesla. Tesla was shorted heavily too, and now they're buying back basically. Snap, right? Snap. Then also now I also posted about the Now CEO also sold about 90% of his stake on Friday. So people are taking advantage of the market right now. Then we have this week also Fed chair talking on Tuesday, FOMC member Baer. Then we have bunch of Williams, Waller, bunch of FOMC members are talking. And then also, like I mentioned here also today, Goldman Sachs reported that Thursday they saw the single heaviest day of the short covering activity by a hedge fund client in decade because of Carvana, Snap, all these ARK, Cathy Wood stocks, they all are buying back now because they targeted 2022. Now they have to buy back because those stock used to be $100. Now they are $3, right? So if the $3 stock jumps 100%, what is it? $3 goes to $6. It's called stock jumps 100%. This is how they create. But hey, what about the stock was $100 at the time, right? Now you brought down to $3 and now jump into 100%. It is $6, nothing, right? So still they are. So how much value they are still need? If you take a look at right here, look at that. How much they are in order to go back to the high, 5,328% to grow Carvana. Just to let you know, just give you example, 138% Tesla to grow, price has to go to the top to reach to the high. DocuSign has to go to the 427%, though 2023 jumped 49%, right? But anyway, so market will create a different headline. You need to understand, folks. Right now we have a sector rotation going on. Heavily shorted stocks are, buying back basically. Okay, so that's why what I see is energy sector where the monies are moving out, right? As we mentioned here, money moving out of energy and going into technologies, and we're heavily shorted area. So that's why, look at that. That's why U.S. oil is also going down. So just be a little. I know they all the many U.S. many oil company their earning was excellent, absolutely no doubt. But doesn't mean, man, folks, we had a horrible earning in decade of mega cap Apple. At the same time, Apple, Meta, Google, Microsoft, you name it, all the companies earning coming out is horrible, right? But stock is going up, right? So this right now situation, because they were heavily shorted, now they want sector rotation, they have to buy back. So that's what exactly going on. So we are right, but temporary, folks, right now. Okay, so we're gonna if you take a look at the SPY temporary for this week, folks, we gotta be a little bit watch out. As I said, I want to go with let the week start, folks. This is 30 days. So let the week start, because we need to see what exactly marketing, because we have a little rejection I see here, you follow. So if 410 breaks, we could go a little lower and test it because market has a cycle. Look, folks, look at this. This is 1.5 month process right here. So higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So now 410 is a critical area to watch. It could bounce and could go higher, or it can break and we could go and test this, and then it could bounce and go up, either one of them. That's the reason I want to see, because we had a divergence here, which I announced there too. But we need this support to check. We are very critical stage at this thing to be bullish or bearish, to check it out. Okay, so this is the process, folks. It's just the market has a cycle, couple of them, because we've been, if you take a look at, we've been bullish few days. Okay, look, check this out. Look how many days we've been bullish, constant, almost 12-15 days constant bullish right here. You see that? So if they need to create a liquidity for the bad little bit and then go north probably, but right now still bullish. Market is MACD looking bullish, oscillator, look at that, constant bullish. But short term, even if I go to 4 hours, folks, is looking little divergent, not the divergent, a little bullish. I mean the signal line is not crossed yet, but looking little bearish to point south. Right, and if I go 30 minutes, that give you early indication that there's a bearishness too. But that's the short term period, folks. Okay, 30 minutes right here. Squeeze just fired up, so probably we have a little bearishness. That's why I'm expecting market to pull back, folks. But we have a critical support pull back for a day or two, something like that. You follow? That's what I'm thinking. Maybe a couple of days pull back. Well, don't know. We'll see. That's the reason whenever market, I want the week starts, I want market maker to go first. So that's why I'm 100% cash, and this could be a little pullback and see what it happens. And if it pullbacks and go test, we could go and test the support here, which is down here. But that is long process, folks. Okay, that's a long process. I'm super right now. Market looking bullish to me for at least February. Okay, I'm not talking about long, folks. Just the February I'm talking about. I like to go with the whatever I see. That's the February I see right here bullish. All right. So folks, join Top Trading Edge. Like every day I'm live morning 9:30 to 4. Join Top Trading Edge right here. On type it on YouTube. Top Trading Edge. All the videos are live here, folks. Every day I go live 7 hours right here. 7 hours. And I also post the market update video every day. Market update video every day. Market update video, and other videos also I posted. So please join the community. It's a free of charge, folks. So these are all live stream I do. Share my screens. They are free. Join the community. Is free of charge, folks. Okay. All right. So see you tomorrow morning 9:30. Thank you. Bye.